In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Alias in Proton Mail. If you use Proton Mail to protect your privacy, aliases are a powerful way to share an email address without exposing your main one. They act like disposable doors to your inbox. You can hand them out, receive messages normally, and keep tighter control over who can reach you. Start by opening Proton Mail in your web browser or the official app and signing in as you normally would. The interface may vary slightly depending on updates and your plan, but the process is the same. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the right side of the top bar for a small shield icon. This shield is your quick access to Proton's alias tools. Click it to open a compact panel. In that panel, you'll see your current alias. Proton displays it clearly so you can confirm what address you're sharing. If you need to use it somewhere, say when signing up for a newsletter or trying a new service, click Copy Alias. That places the alias address on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever it's needed. Using aliases like this helps you cut down on spam and gives you an easy way to stop messages from a single source without touching your real address. If you want an additional address for a different purpose, choose New Alias in the same panel. Proton will generate a fresh alias for you right away. This is handy when you like to keep separate aliases for categories like shopping, work-related trials, or forums. Keep in mind that availability and the number of aliases you can create may depend on your subscription. A quick tip: consider keeping a simple note of where you use each alias so you can manage them more confidently later. That's all there is to it. Open Proton Mail, click the shield on the right, view or copy your existing alias, and create a new one when you need it. With just a couple of clicks, you'll protect your primary address and keep your inbox cleaner and more secure.